We're doing sesame chicken tonight on Cooking with Jon. Fire in the hole. Fire in the hole. Oh, got the level over. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. This is fucking full of shit. Okay, well, I'm glad she's a pixie truck for you, but she's not a chicken. Alright, welcome back, guys. Tonight we are doing sesame chicken. This one's by kitchensanctuary.com. Okay? If you don't know what we do here, guys, we go online, find yourselves a recipe, go to the store, get the food, come back and make it. This is my son Duke. He wants to come along for the ride with me tonight and make some sesame chicken. And if you do hear some singing, it's my daughter in the shower. She's not good, but she's 4, okay? So we'll just let her be. She enjoys herself. That's what matters. Anyway, so we're going to start with our chicken. So, we have our eggs, cornstarch, and flour. It says to throw some pepper, garlic salt, paprika,
I got some fidget,
and some salt into the flour. Hey, but pay attention to the cooking, eh? Don't worry about the fidget. Don't worry about the fidget. You pay attention to the cooking. That's the idea. So we're going to mix that all up.
What's this?
That's egg, man.
Okay.
Egg, cornstarch, and flour. Okay?
Which one are we going first?
I'll show you. So, got our chicken here. We're going to start dredging with the cornstarch.
Can I put it?
Hang on. I'll show you what we're doing first, okay? Put it in the cornstarch. Then we drop it in the egg. Mix it around in the egg. And then...
This is pretty much like chicken nuggets.
Kind of simple. Then into the flour. Mix her up in there. And that one's done. So,
We made our own flour.
we'll keep going with that, and we'll be right back in a second, guys. Well, she was a messy endeavor. I think he had a good time, though. We got a bit on the floor on the counters, but hey, we got her done. Got it all done. So, we got our oil heated up. We're going to cook this in batches. Probably a couple batches, so we, hang on. I'll let you put them in. Hang on. I'll do this, so we'll let you do it in a minute, okay? So we're going to put a few in there, and we're going to cook these in batches. It takes a couple minutes to cook them, it says, so. That's what we're going to do. Chuck them all in.
I do a couple.
And we'll cook those away. Alright, welcome back, guys. Our chicken is done. So it tells us to put it onto a plate with a piece of paper towel on it to drain for a minute. And then to make your sauce. So, chicken's all done. Now for our sauce. It says in the hot wok, so I'm assuming the wok we're in, to add all ingredients, which is 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, tablespoon of sesame seed oil, couple of garlic, some brown sugar, couple tablespoons, tablespoon of rice vinegar, couple tablespoons of hot or sweet chili sauce, 3 tablespoons of ketchup, and finally, a couple tablespoons of honey. All in the pot. And it says to cook that for a couple minutes until it reduces about 2/3. So, we'll get that all boiled up. We'll be back when that chicken's ready to go in that sauce, guys. Oh, we have the chicken back. Toss it around. And cook for another couple minutes. Alright, welcome back, guys. The chicken is out. It's looking good. Hey, I was already out. I was already at the table eating dinner, and my wife's like, are we going to finish this video? You know, so I was really kind of looking forward to this one, obviously. But anyway, so let's try it out, see what we think. We got our piece of chicken here. Wow, that chicken's awesome. That's really good. That is good sesame chicken, man. Holy. I would definitely make that again. Recommend that anytime, guys. You want to come in here and try this?
Yep.
Yeah, you want to try a piece? Alright, the boy's back again. We'll probably cut that in half for you, eh? Here, try that one. Try that piece here, Nick. That's some good stuff, eh? I like it too. Anyway, guys, come on, take a look at the date.
A million.
A million thumbs up. Good to hear. 29th of March, 2020, 6:51 in Temiskaming Shores. It is a lovely Sunday. Anyway, guys, this has been another Cooking with John. Who knows what we're going to make tomorrow? Come back and find out. We'll see you then. Bye for now.